reaching out the families of our police officers. So sabi naman Sir Bernie, tamang-tama nga, no? Ito dapat ang pagtuunan natin ng pansin dahil sa nung nasa DPCR siya, ang nakalagay doon is IFJIGAD, Family, Juvenile, and Gender Awareness and Development Division. No? Palaging ang juvenile and gender awareness ang tindi ng focus dahil of course, doon sa UN program, at nakakalimutan yung first letter doon, which is F, family. So that's the cue for us na aside from yung mga uniform personnel, ay the best for us to reach out also for the family. Alam ko, walang pulis magsasabi kahit na medyo matigas yan pag sinabi mo, panalayan ko pati yung family mo. Oo po yan. Sige, Pastor. Sige, Coach. Panalangin natin yung family ko. Yan yung natin. Kaya yun yung soft side talaga. I think all of us, ang soft side natin is our family. That's our treasured, most treasured thing sa atin. Kaya yun yung tinitingnan natin palagi na sana ang mga susunod generation ay mas maayos ang kalagayan kaysa sa atin. So, the harvest is plenty.
Amen.
And thank you for responding to this call.
Amen.
Thank you. And pagpalain tayo ng Panginoon.